Alrighty guys, we got this Pathfinder here and there's a little bit of damage to the frame rail back here. Check it out. We've got some marks here and as you guys can see, there's just a little fold off in there and it's a little bit bent right there. So what I need to do is I need to pull out the frame rail right here and straighten out that buckle and also straighten out the part area where the rebar attaches. So I'm going to drop this spare tire, drop the charcoal filter, and we'll get to pulling on it. Oh yeah.
Want me to do it?
Huh?
A little easier. Is this auto appeared again?
This is what appeared?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Watch your head there, bud. You had your head right by that hook, Paul.
But the hook got the safety on it.
Huh?
It ain't coming off.
Oh, is that you gonna rely on that safety?
I'll trust it. I'll trust that safety.
Got the frame rail all flattened out. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Now what we need to do is we need to put a little bit more tension on it and hammer in all the areas that were bent, and that will relieve some of that stress. But man, it's looking really good. If you look over here, look at that. Everything is straightened out. Everything has been pulled out. And she is looking beautiful. One thing that I did forget to show you guys was the fact that there was no gap here. This door was basically touching the quarter panel, but now you can see that there's a gap. We've got everything pulled out. So we need to give it a couple more little pulls, and then we will remove the tow bar and start working on this frame end. after removing like a million things, we have finally exposed our damage here. And as you can see, we have a crease in the floorboard here. And right there's a little bit of a crease. So what we need to do is we need to pull this section of the rear wall out. And that should straighten out that floorboard. And it should put everything back in its spot where it needs to be. Okay, so deep hook is probably not going to work for this application. We have to use a deeper hook. You know, guys, sometimes size matters. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's where she wants it. As deep as, look at that. It don't get no deeper than that. That's perfect right there. Now we need to lay something in there to give us a nice flat pulling area. I've got the wall pulled out, and now what I need to do is dolly this floorboard a little bit, make it nice and flat. As you guys can see, there's a couple of bumps in it from where I was beating on it, but the important thing is that we pulled everything out, and there's some more finesse work that needs to be done under here, but everything is looking good. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before. It was kind of smushed in right there, but we've got everything pulled out, and now it's just all finish work. We need to make it look good. So I sprayed a little bit of paint onto the frame rail. I'm gonna let that dry up, and then we are going to put everything back together. But it's looking really good. Look at that. We got everything nice and welded up and straight and nice. And now we need to put everything back together. Do what?
That'll pull out a light frame.
You think so?
Yes, it will.
You need one of those on the front of your truck, Mike.
I sure do. I really need one of them on my zero track because I be getting stuck sometimes.
Get you right out. Yeah, right.
Get my own stuff out.
Look how good it looks. Everything's getting put back together.
What was wrong with this?
It was hitting this frame rail right here. I straightened it out.
Oh, that was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't nothing. It was just barely crumpled. Alright, let me put my side on first.
This side is off.
spicy. I ain't trying to eat nothing spicy. Very nice. Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? You're a good girl. Bella's a good girl. That's who's a good girl. Bella, stay. Stay right here. Mike said you gotta stay right here. You can't go over there. He gone. Stay right there. Do not move. Stay. Good girl. Who's your good girl? We finally got all the parts for the Pathfinder, and as you guys can see, Paul has got the bumper and the lid all painted and everything looks very good. I'm very happy with how this car turned out. She is ready to hit the road, and guys, stay tuned. I've got a lot more framework going on. We actually just got this Honda Pilot right here. It's not like really bad, but still pretty interesting stuff going on here. And also we've got this little CRV right here, and it looks like it's already been... Cat, what's up, bud? You out here? Looks like it's already been molested a little bit. Look at that. It's definitely been jerked around on, but that should be an easy fix. Look at Cat. Cat just stay exploring. Go get him. Go get him. Where's he at? Go get him. Look at the agility on this guy. Look at that. Turns around on a dime. Cat, you kind of impressing everybody right now. Also guys, stay tuned. We will be rebuilding this BMW X5 here. This car belongs to a friend of mine, and unfortunately his wife got hit on the highway, and we are going to rebuild it. I don't know what we are waiting on right now, but we will be rebuilding this one soon. It's actually a really nice car. Check this thing out. I know you guys don't like when we be doing Beamers, but we didn't buy this one. This one ain't ours. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you want. And Cat's in my boat. He ready to go out on the water. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.